case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A highly contested legal battle known as Miller v. Schoene took center stage in 1928 in the Supreme Court. At its core, it attempted to address the question of whether a state has the right to prioritize one type of crop over another without violating the property owner's constitutional rights, particularly when the decision to do so would serve the common interest. At the crux of argument were red cedar trees owned by Miller. Beautiful but potentially hazardous, these trees were notorious for carrying cedar rust, a disease that threatened adjacent vegetations and plantations. Meanwhile, an apple orchard sat in dangerous proximity. Opting to nip potential disaster in the bud, Virginia sanctioned a law that necessitated the uprooting of cedar trees posing risk to neighboring crops. Miller was expected to comply, and the state's entomologist, Schoene, subsequently mandated the felling of Miller's trees. No compensation, however, was provided to Miller for his loss. The initial decision taken by the lower court agreed with the tree destruction whilst ordering that Miller be appropriately remunerated for his loss. This ruling was appealed subsequently. The Supreme Court, however, saw things differently. It viewed the forceful uprooting of Miller's trees as aligned with the Fifth Amendment. The decision by state authorities to favor apple trees was understandable given the state's reliance on the fruit for fostering its economy. By choosing to protect the apple farmers' interests, the court ruled that the state did not infringe upon Miller's due process rights. Thus, the ruling delivered by the lower court was duly affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.